Hi guys, welcome back to another wash day video. In today's video I'm going to be using the brand Cantu shea butter. Now I'm not new to these, I have used them in the past, but I haven't used them for quite some time. And what prompted me to give these another try is the fact that I just received this in my December Treasure Trust box. So I want to try the whole line in combination together. So it's going to be a part 1 and a part 2. The wash day and the styling. So if you want to see my wash day and my styling, then please stay tuned. So I'm going to start by taking out my old hairstyle, which was a twist and curl hairstyle, and I will leave a link to that video in the iCards above and the description box down below. I try not to wear my natural hair out in the winter so much because it does get very dry and I don't want to over manipulate it, which will cause further breakage. But as I am giving my hair a break from protective styling, I'm testing out different hairstyles, giving my hair a break, and then I'm going to go back into protective hairstyles. I learned on my hairdressing course that it's always good to give yourself a little 2-week break in between protective hairstyles. It's not good to do back-to-back wigs, braids, twists or weaves. Using hair extensions, it can put a lot of tension on your natural hair and your hairline, and it's not good in the long term. Plus, I also said that I will be bringing more natural hairstyles to my channel. So this is me kind of getting creative. And to begin, I'm going in with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Hydrating Cream Conditioner. It helps hair retain natural oils, reveals healthier hydrated hair, and it's great for natural and colored hair. It's 13.5 fluid ounces. It's about £5 in Pax Cosmetics, and all of the products have this very fruity smell. It's a very tropical smell. I believe the hydrating cream conditioner did do what it claimed to do. It left my hair feeling soft and moisturized even after shampooing. And this product is made for curls, coils and waves. The direction says to apply a generous amount to ends and work towards the roots. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. And as we all know, it's good to use hair products that are from the same brand because they're formulated to work together. So I'm trying to do that as much as possible. I didn't do that in the past, but I'm doing that now. And as it's winter time, I'm going in with some castor oil to just give my hair an extra bit of moisture and nutrients, especially at the roots, so that I can keep my roots nice and strong and healthy. I'm actually putting the oil all over. I don't believe in just putting the product from the mid-lengths to ends. I like to moisturize from the roots to the ends. And I'm going to put the plastic bag on and sit under my hooded dryer for 20 minutes. And I'm just using a soft bonnet attachment, which again I bought from Pax Cosmetics for about £8. You attach it to your blow dryer, you adjust the temperature and sit under there for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going in with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Conditioner. It provides a rich lather, it removes heavy buildup, it helps protect against breakage, and it's great for natural or color treated hair. It's also 13.5 fluid ounces and it's around £5 as well. This is also made for curls, coils and waves. And you're supposed to put it on wet hair, massage it into the hair beginning from roots and work your ways to the ends. Lather, rinse and repeat. So I always like to shampoo my hair twice. And now third in the line, or third in the row, is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Deep Treatment Mask. It helps restore and strengthen dry, damaged hair. It's 12 fluid ounces. This product is £5.32 based on my research, and it's infused with shea butter. It's meant to be very rich and moisturizing, and the directions say to let it sit on for 30 minutes and then rinse with cool water. Again, it has a very nice fruity smell, so I do like the smell of the Cantu brand. It's not too strong and it does wash away. I'm trying to go in all over. At this point, I think I felt a bit too lazy to take out my twists. Normally I would take out my twists. So I'm going to go back under the hooded dryer and I'll be back. And this is the end result. I'm just showing you how clean and soft. Well, you can't feel my hair, but my hair is clean and soft. The scalp is soft. And I'm just stretching it a bit. I never do length checks, but I felt like doing it on this day. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.